use the proper digits for white. This is the hour. Sure it is. Joe Burke played the draw there for
Hello.
City, but the bunt Chad Siebel shot it around. Craig Cox wasn't able to control.
Maybe because the ground's wet.
Whistled dead, brought back in to the Tulsa zone. The left face-off circle.
Hello.
Very attentive. They trail 5-4. Tulsa leading. And neither team has won on the other's home ice this year. The Oilers lead 3-2, and the Seagulls chases the puck. Goes down to the far end. It's in there by Blue Chuba. Cox takes the puck away. Looks to the side. There's Pula. Looks like it's a stick on it. Close up. And of course, no penalty call on the play. Perhaps one reason it doesn't just start bleeding for nothing. So something happened there, and I'm sure he would like to get a penalty in the situation. These are tough, though. I tell you that. He and Tommy Corrales, two of the tougher guys on this team. So again, as I said, Mike took a talking to him on the earlier meeting.
Here.
Who fired the puck out of his own zone. Now it's Corrales who does the press the gas.
Close up the bird.
Excuse me, where I should have been almost out of seat. Watching Berger.
Come here, Caesar. Caesar. Come here. Come here. Hello. 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 Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Caesar. Come here. Come on. Hello. Oh, Caesar. Hello.